So right now, we have some news related to the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. It seems like Samsung is making some significant updates to the Galaxy S25 lineup, addressing some of the common criticisms from previous years. One major improvement is the storage upgrade. The Galaxy S24's base model still had a starting storage of 128 gigabytes, which in 2024 was seen as insufficient for a flagship device. With the Galaxy S25, Samsung is eliminating the 128 gigabyte option entirely, starting with 256 gigabytes of storage, which is crucial for longevity, especially given the increasing size of apps and media files. Additionally, the storage standard has been upgraded. The 128 gigabyte variant used the older UFS 3.1 standard, while the 256 gigabyte model will feature UFS 4.0, providing not just more storage but also faster performance. In terms of RAM, all Galaxy S25 models will come with 12 gigabytes of RAM as standard, which is a great improvement for multitasking and future-proofing. The Ultra model will even feature a 16 gigabyte RAM option, available only in higher storage configurations. Now, about the Unpacked event, we know it's happening on January 22nd, but when can you actually get your hands on the phone? According to South Korean media, Samsung will start delivering the S25 lineup from February 7th onwards. Regarding the Galaxy S25 Slim, it's rumored to be incredibly thin, with a thickness between 6 and 7 millimeters. For comparison, the iPhone 17 Air is expected to be around 6.25 millimeters, which is thinner than the iPhone 16 Pro. However, the S25 Slim will maintain flagship-level specs, including ultra-level cameras, unlike the iPhone 17 Air, which might be sacrificing features for its slim profile. The main concern with the S25 Slim might be its battery size, especially since Apple's iPhone 17 Air is rumored to have a smaller battery than its predecessor. Hopefully, Samsung will ensure the S25 Slim has at least a 4,500 milliamp hour battery to balance the slim design with decent endurance. So if you like my video, give a thumbs up and subscribe